I'm 32, Mrs. Brown. And I'm here celebrating the fact that I spent another year scraping dishes and waitressing. Which is what I've been doing since I was 13. And according to you, I'll be 37 before I can even throw a decent punch. Which I have to admit, after chasing this feedback for a month, maybe the God's simple truth. Other truth is, my brother's in prison. My sister cheats on his welfare by pretending one of her babies is still alive. My dad is dead. And my mama weighs 312 pounds. I was thinking straight. I go back home. Find a used trailer. Buy deep frying some Oreos. Problem is, this is the only thing I've ever felt doing. Once you look at this, then I got nothing. Is that enough truth to see you?